All right, guys, here we go. Leaf Pearl Multisport, one box, random letter. Number 3. Good luck to you. Here we go. Three it is. One, two, and 3. Scarlett Johansson, duh. And players in the game. 1, 2, and 3. I know, I did pull you that Katy Perry. That was pretty cool. All right, let me sort these out for you. There's how it breaks down. 3 there, 3 there, 3 there. All right, I'm gonna roll 1 dice. 1, 2, 3 top, 4, 5, 6 bottom. It is a 4. So bottom top box will be for number 4. Can we top that last one? Sheesh. Number 4 is over halfway full, I think, so. Good luck, guys. First up, 1 of 1 right off the bat. Johnny Bench, Pearl. Nate. One of 1, Johnny Bench. Six of 6. That looks like Otani. O spot is Razor Sox. Nice, Matt. Matt, you are on a roll. Two of 3. Oh, no. Michael Jordan. New guy mojo. MJ, and that's a Wizards jersey. Is everything good on breakers? Where'd everybody go? Is breakers down? I restarted it on breakers. We'll see if it comes up again. All right, if you guys want to go back to breakers, it's working again. Every now and then when it goes down and I just restart it, it's not on my end because the stream was still running on my side. If anybody missed it, the last one was Michael Jordan Wizards jersey. 2 of 3. 2-3, MJ. One of 2. Oh, look at this. Immortal 8, Babe Ruth, Mickey Mantle, Frank Robinson, Ted Williams, Roberto Clemente, Carl Yastrzemski, Joe DiMaggio, and Duke Snyder. Out of 2. God, this stuff is insane. Big random right there. All game worn, too. Two of 6. Wow. Decade of Stars, 1960. Mickey Mantle, Wilt Chamberlain, Jack Nicklaus, Gale Sayers, Frank Robinson, Arnold Palmer, Muhammad Ali, and Jim Brown. So we got M, C, N, S, R, P, A, and B. I mean, they're all game worn. It's all game used memorabilia. That's the deal to it. I don't know that they could put their actual photos on like a multi-card like this. Well, maybe they can, because they have like McGregor and those guys. I don't know. Four of 4. 8 signatures. Oh, geez. Nolan Ryan. Jim Palmer. Gaylord Perry. Don Sutton. Juan Marichal, Tom Glavine, Greg Maddux, and John Smoltz. Photo, no logo. Okay. Old Gaylord. So that's R, P, P, S, M, G, M, S. What an awesome product. Cut signature. Three of 3. The Big Hurt, Frank Thomas. T-Spot is Chris. Nice, Chris. Legends of Sport, 8 of 9. Mike Tyson, Wayne Gretzky, Joe Montana, and Ken Griffey. Maybe they have a piece of Evander Holyfield's ear. Another random. Bunch of randoms to do this box. Three of 7. Man, Rogers in every box so far. Roger Staubach. Jersey. Last one. Aside from the cut. Four of 10. Elway. Burris with the E spot. Cut time. Arnold Schwarzenegger. There you go, Jersey. Get to the chopper. Arnold Schwarzenegger. That's sweet. Cool hit. All right, we'll do these in the order they came out. This is... Well, let's roll some dice first. On 7. We got... I'm thinking the other box is going to have a big hit. All right, so we got R for Ruth, M for Mantle, R for Robinson, W for Williams, C for Clemente, Y Yastrzemski, D DiMaggio, and S for Duke Snyder. Top spot on 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Goes to the S. Duke Snyder wins it. All right, then we got Decade of the 60s. Got M for Mantle, Wilt Chamberlain, Jack Nicklaus, Gale Sayers, Frank Robinson, Arnold Palmer, Muhammad Ali, dope, and Jim Brown on 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Goes to the R spot. Frank Robinson. All right, then we have R for Nolan Ryan, P Jim Palmer, P Gaylord Perry, S. Don Sutton. Maricol. Glavin. Maddox. And Smoltz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. M. I think M had the most shots too. 1, 2. That's close. Goes to the M. Elite 8 signature. Who had the M? Mr. D. Let's fill up the next one. And then the last one we have is Mike Tyson, Wayne Gretzky, Joe Montana, and Ken Griffey. So we got T, G, M, G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Goes to the M. Montana won it. Wow. D Silver again. Thanks for the fill, guys. Number 4 is almost full. Get to the chopper.